S- Today we will discuss Z2 plus Z3 group. What is Z2 plus Z3? Firstly, we will introduce Z2. Z2 is 0, 1 and Z3 is 0, 1, 2, right? Now taking the Z2 plus Z3, so there is an element of this 0, 0. Firstly, we will take 0 of this 0, 1. Then it is 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, right? And now the element is second is that 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, right? So this is form the group, and this is an abelian group of order 6. Why? Firstly, what is the order? Order is that 2 and 3. Taking 2 and 3, which will makes order of this group. This order is the group is 2 cross 3, it is 6. It is prime, relatively primes, so this forms an abelian group. Now consider the subgroup of Z2 plus Z3 generated by 1, 1. What is the subgroups of Z2 plus Z3? This is an abelian group. It is generated by 1, 1. Subgroups is generated by 1, 1. Since the operation in each component is addition, so we will take 1, 1. Firstly 1, 1, then it is 1, 1. Now taking 2 of 1, 1. This means that taking 1, 1 plus 1, 1, right? Because the operation in each component is addition. So this will make 2, and 2 is in Z2. So this will form 2 is congruent to 0. So it is equals to 0. 2 is in Z3, which is Z3, it is 2 because Z3 contains 2, right? Now element 3 of 1, 1, 3 of this 3 makes Z in Z2. There is no 3, so we will take congruent of this. 3 is congruent to 1 modulo 2, right? See, it is 1. Now 3 in Z3. What is 3 in Z3? 3 is in Z3 is equals to 3 is in Z3 which is congruent to 0, right? Now 4, 4 is in 4 is divisible by 2, so Z in Z2 4 is congruent to 0, right? Now 4 in Z3 which is congruent to 1, so this will form, it follows that Z2 plus Z3 follows isomorphic to Z6, and Z6 is an abelian and cyclic group, so it is also cyclic group as it is generated by the element 1, 1. All the elements generated by 1, 1, so it is